Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off smart follow on your DJI Osmo. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their DJI Osmo and you kind of realize that it's starting to follow your face. And let's say that you don't want that to happen. So essentially what you can do is that as you start to go ahead and film yourself, you're going to see like an X button and a square on the person's face. So in this case, I see an X button and a square. So all you need to do is click on the X button to kind of exit out, and that'll go ahead and stop the smart follow. So right now you can see that I exited out and it's no longer following me anymore. But if I go ahead and drag and drop, let's pretend like I'm on a computer and I drag and drop a square over my face. What's going to happen is that it's going to actually track my face again. And you can see that it now starts to smart follow once again. Now, that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off smart follow on your DJI Osmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.